Alrighty, we are in the basement of the Anchor Professional Building, formerly Anchor Bank, in Lakeville, Minnesota. Look what we have here. Just a 330A, right? It's not just any 330A. It's low-pitched. This runs really well. Let's go back into the basement. I think I already said it's holeless, but I don't remember. Cab view. Somebody's clearly moving in because the whole cab is covered by this like protective wall stuff. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, it's insulation. You can kind of see the cab back there. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity, Schindler HD buttons, and 88 phone. Why is there a plug? Schindler. Installed 2001, very early wait, when was that installed? Yeah, September 2001, very early 338. Let's go one more time, here we go. This runs really well, like a lot of older 330As do. Love that. Something on the lantern there. COP's dirty. Honestly, even though it's a 330A and they're pretty boring, the fact that it's low pitched honestly makes it a lot more fun to ride. That's weird. Here we are at the basement again. Credit to Aaron for finding this one. I think he found it. Very cool elevator. There it goes, and that'll be it.